We remember how it was to create with block Lego. Just drag and dropping, you can build a small world. And with 3D objects, it's almost the same kind of mechanics. So we decided, why not build this toolbox where anyone, non-programmer, non-pro user can create their own immersive world. And this is where OVA was started. I'm Harold, founder and CEO of OVA. I'm running all the partnership and the fundraising for the business. The objective of the project that we do through Scale AI is to be able to do object detection for the aerospace sector. So we use the augmented reality headset to be able to recognize an engine for Pratt and Whitney or a piece of a plane at Bombardier. We got this feedback from Bombardier actually that we saved 260% of efficiency in reparation and maintenance of the piece of the planes because we do object detection and we are able to use a digital twin to project with an hologram where are the defects in real time on the piece of the plane. That is the beauty of all this core project. As a startup, OVA needs fundraising and also client on the other side because we need to do R&D. So in this case, KI was just a perfect fit because it helped us to bridge this way of financing the R&D and be able to achieve what is edge technology, merging AI with augmented reality. The context of this project is really important to us and also for the whole ecosystem. It's the halo effect of what things will do at the end of the day. So in our case, it will help research centers to be able to develop vanguard technology with us and also to be able to have this first step into the manufacturing world. And to also see everybody that augmented reality, virtual reality, artificial intelligence is here and that the time is now.